Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll be showing you how to withdraw your cryptocurrency from Binance directly to your bank account. Start by logging into your Binance account and navigating to the Wallet section. To withdraw funds to your bank, you first need to convert your crypto into your local fiat currency, whether it's USD, Euro, GBP, or any other supported currency. Select the crypto you want to convert. For example, if you have BNB, choose BN from your wallet. Next, pick the fiat currency you want to convert to, like GBP, USD, or Euro, and hit the Sell button. Enter the amount you want to convert and confirm. I didn't have enough funds, so I couldn't make the purchase. If you have sufficient balance, you can easily buy. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see your new fiat balance, such as GBP or Euro, in your wallet. Now, go to the Withdraw button at the top of your screen in Wallet section. When the options appear, select Cash instead of Crypto. From there, choose the fiat currency you just converted to, like GBP. The reason you're not seeing these options is because I didn't buy or convert any cash. If you've already followed the steps, you should see options like this. This will bring you to the withdrawal screen, where you'll see options like bank transfer or bank card, Visa. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. So bank transfer is generally the most straightforward. Enter your bank account details, specify the amount, and then confirm the withdrawal. So once you've completed these steps, Binance will process your request and your funds will be transferred to your bank account. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn crypto from Binance to your bank. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.